technique Qatar Shulam, we had a glory shaft on bubble. So nu humor stacks the bubble, Honeycomber grab Hector and Starshubs, be slew Olvor, stick on Hannafin, be bring crack Mahadullar Shul, and so we were cabbage, she's Qatar Shul, stick on Shofech, made so who stacks the bubble, August on our curriculum now, be Hector and Starshub, be Skull on more for Jesus Aaron Starshub, August be Skull on Slacha, pornography. Has spawned to Aaron Starshub now, near gain foom Lennis Canon in Acre, so on Rudder Vidor Giria Erguini, one slew now, Dunner and Starshub, no Ruddy Slacher and Skull on Tape here though, August ad libbing a yen of Mascoyoga, Lessons Canon Slach. So, she's Captain Grand Swing Bishop, go hard enough to get more on Pure Gold to go Hannafin's law. So, nor dear their own Queen Yella, Shasper and Starshub, Permission of Law, who's dear could be found on Shas of Logs and Tree of Wintas. So, Coy Misha, August Colleen Ellen, or Evne, Trish Buller Raven, Mahale, who's here in Starshub, August Corder, Scanon Ellis, Lach, Fair and Scalon, August Hosimer, Ginshins, Ruddy. Anami Arunach, August Anna Glorver, August Sain, Foon, Nakap, Ari of Caution, the name Chang and Acre. Landshay Shore, Fat Queen Nomad, August B. Cap Cochin, and Grish, the Harrow Ground Burger Fod, August there, former Bullabus, August former T-Lane is Cochin, Rodo Hector, August Lord of Screeter and T-Lane now, K. Diadi. So, we saw the Bodu Lassen, Cap Hard, Grish, the Harrow. Granura Fad, August near Smith more on air, and Dimmy on Stacha, August Landmy Arm on Dungudel and their Shachna. So, Kupla Shachni is then anyway, just be my Swali, main or never near a few things. There's Niquilum can or Vershulgum, but for my Glech Tobanomish Mori. And so, we just saw that consulship. Yeah, Tater Delvish, and Pimage. Alright, K turn television to Hector lab, which is Moch. Near book on television, is Conor Squash to Gachen or be around. Harla, so in our Hector and such the Hector of screen where he's locker on would be Cormac because he used to look on the television.